This video will guide you through reviewing a purchase contract. Purchase contract review is a frequently requested service on the Contracts Council platform, since both buyers and sellers want to understand the terms before signing. If you have received a purchase contract and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided more information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing a purchase contract, key terms to find and understand in your document, cost to hire a lawyer for review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for purchase contracts. Purchase contracts are legally binding documents that outline the terms of a sale between a buyer and a seller. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Property description. Ensure the contract clearly describes the property, including boundaries, legal descriptions, and any improvements or fixtures that are included in the sale. Purchase price and payment terms. Understand the total purchase price, any deposits, and the payment schedule. Contingencies. Look for any contingencies that must be satisfied before the sale can proceed, such as financing approval, inspections, and appraisal. Closing date. Confirm the closing date and any conditions that must be met by this date. Compliance with laws. Verify that the agreement complies with relevant local and state laws. And consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review a purchase contract. They can ensure the document is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. We have included a link in the description to help you find one. Key terms to understand. Purchase contracts contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the names and details of both the buyer and the seller are correctly stated. Make sure the full legal names of the individuals or entities are used. 2. Property description. Review the section that provides a detailed legal description of the property to ensure it matches your understanding and expectations. 3. Purchase price. Check the total purchase price and any deposits or earnest money required. 4. Financing contingency. Ensure that the agreement includes a financing contingency which allows the buyer to void the contract if they cannot secure a mortgage. 5. Inspection contingency. Understand any inspection contingencies which allow the buyer to request repairs or cancel the sale if significant issues are found during the inspection. 6. Closing date. Review the scheduled closing date and any conditions that must be met before closing. 7. Title and survey. Ensure that the seller must provide clear title and, if applicable, a survey of the property. 8. Disclosures. Check for any required disclosures regarding the condition of the property. 9. Default and remedies. Understand the conditions under which either party would be in default and the remedies available. And 10. Dispute resolution. Review the methods for resolving disputes related to the sale, such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. Average costs to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your purchase contract is advisable. Contracts Council's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on recent data, the average cost to review a purchase contract is $760 on a flat fee basis. This is based on 25 recent projects from across various U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. Service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also needing the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing a purchase contract is crucial in ensuring you understand all the terms of the transaction and protecting your rights accordingly. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Counsel or visit contractscounsel.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.